In this video, I will show you how to get an invisible username on Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Discord. So if you look in the member list, you can see at the moment my username is currently visible. So if I come down and click onto my profile, you can see we've got our username showing up. Now to go ahead and make this invisible, there's a number of characters that you're going to want to enter, which I will leave in the video description down below. But basically what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto this gear icon to go into your user settings. From here on the My Account section, you want to come across and click onto display name, and you want to click the edit button to the right of display name. Then what you need to do is enter those characters from the video description into here. You can get rid of the asterisk things at the beginning and the end, and then just come down and click the green Save Changes button at the bottom. So once you've done this, that will now make your Discord username invisible. If you see, if we come out of the settings, you can see our username is now invisible. We can't actually see anything. So if I actually click onto this, you can see that there's no username. Of course, it's showing my status and my profile picture, but not my actual display name, my username. So you will also see if I type a message into the server, so something like hello, you can see that it does send through, but my username again is shown as invisible. So that is how to get a invisible username on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.